Celebrates 68th Republic Day, a grand parade held at Rajpath in nation's capital. Republic Day celebrated across Manipur. The main event was held at the historic Kangla. And despite tight security measures by police to prevent untoward incidents, a bomb explodes near Manipur College. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lathimo Monica with the latest news updates. The nation today celebrates its 68th Republic Day today. The day honors the date on which the Constitution came into force on this day in 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document. The country's military prowess and achievements in different fields, state-of-the-art defense platforms and diverse culture was in full display at the Republic Day parade in Rajpath in the national capital. Crown Prince Abu Dhabi Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan was the chief guest of the ceremony. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the three service chiefs paid tribute to soldiers at the Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate by laying wreaths in the morning. The parade commenced after unfurling of the national flag, followed by a 21-gun salute. President Pranab Mukherjee awarded Ashok Chakra to Havaldar Hangpan Dada posthumously for selfless service to the nation. A contingent of UAE soldiers marched down the Rajpath. For the first time, a contingent of the National Security Guard, popularly known as the Black Hat Commandos, also took part in the parade. The Indian Army's missile firing capability T-90 Bhishma tank, infantry combat vehicle BMP-2K, mobile autonomous launcher of the BrahMos missile system, Akash weapon system and Dhanush gun system were the main draws this year. The Manipur float depicted Lai Harauba, which is one of the oldest ritualistic theatres. The extra-dip tableau participated in the parade after 26 years, showcasing its potential as an unexplored destination. The grand finale was a spectacular flypast by the Indian Air Force. Awe-inspiring formations such as the Chakra, Hercules and Trishul, as well as the vertical Charlie maneuver, won the hearts of the viewers. The ceremony culminated with a national anthem and release of balloons which lit up the cloudy sky with merry colors. Manipur today celebrated the 68th Republic Day amid the boycott called by various underground outfits. Celebration of the day were held in various district headquarters. The main event was held at the Kangla with Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah as the chief guest. The governor inspected the guard of honor and unfurled the tricolour. She took the salute of the Mars Pass. Chief Minister Ukrami Bobi and his cabinet colleagues, parliamentary secretaries, MLAs, officials of civil, central force and police attended the celebrations. CID Technical SP Mamata Wahingbam commanded the parade. 64 contingents from various schools and colleges, ex-servicemen, civil police, central forces, paramilitary, fire service, home guard and NCC, Bharat Scout, disabled persons, Manipur Police Sport Club, polo team, Manipur Police Dog Squad and 12 police and student band, 19 cultural troops participated in the parade. 13 tableaux of various departments were also displayed during the celebration. In Mars Pass, Manipur Jail won first, CRPF second, while 7 MR and 1st IRB shared the third place in the uniform contingent. Sainik School A won first, NCC Senior Air Wing second and NCC Junior Air Wing won third in NCC groups. TG Higher Secondary School School and Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, Andhro, won first. Andhro Government High School, National Sports Academy Boys and Ibotonsana Higher Secondary School shared the second place, while Nambol Higher Secondary School, Ramlal Pol Higher Secondary School and Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, Mayang Imphal, shared the third in the school contingents. GP Women's College won first, DM College of Arts second and Imphal College won third in the college contingents. 9 IRB Mahila Band won first, Fire Service Band second, while MPTC and second IRB combined and All Manipur Band Party Association B won third in the band category. The IPR Chief Electoral Office and Tourism won the first, second and third respectively in tableau display. MEX, Commerce and Industries Department and Forest Department won first and second and third respectively in gate construction. In cultural troop category, Marine Cultural Troops, Sadang Senba, Kangpokpi won first, Manipur Public Music and Dance Center Patsoi Imphal West won second, while Amuyaima Natsan Kritan Thobal bagged the third place. The Governor presented President's Fire Service Medal for Distinguished Service to Divisional Officer Nabachandra Singh Lashram and Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service to Sub-Officer Ajit Singh Seram.
और ठीक इसके पीछे है मथंग यसिना डिफरेंटली एबल सलामी पीखरे Housing Manipur Police Dog Squad Salami Pikre सांस्कृतिक दल के बाद यानी मध्यमों का नृत्य देख रहे हैं अब आ रहे हैं आप विजय को दर्शा रहे हैं लौसा नृत्य त्रिकरण व क्षतिपूर्ति से संबंधित है हर जोन में यह नृत्य पेश किए जाते हैं कर उठ जाते हैं और छोटा भाई नाम है लाफुन फसल बुआई से फसल कटाई तक Housing IFCD की मतुंगा चंगसी लगली बात टेबलो से मतंगा सेलुटिन बेस तमना चंगसी लगली बात टेबलो याम ननु नान बसरामा ओहेना बगी पांदम फंगनबा पाइखतली मणिपुर टूरिज्म की टेबलो सिदा मतंगा सेलुटिन टेबलो असिदा उतलीबसी मणिपुर खुंदा डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी मतंगा सिना इंसोग लिसिंग अनि तरागा मंगादा थौबाल बिष्णुपुर अमरी चांदल डिस्ट्रिक्ट ता मतंगा सिना foam with diamond blade high pressure pneumatic lifting bags hydraulic combi tools tenderly
The day was also celebrated in Imphal East District. The celebration was held at DC Office Complex, Imphal East District in Porompat. DC Imphal East DC Ningthauzam Zafri unfurled the tricolour at the event. He also took salute from the contingents of the mass pass commanded by SI Pradeep Ningumbab. Traditional dances also highlighted the mass pass. The newly created Kangpokpi district celebrated the Republic Day at Brigadier M. Thomas Ground. DC Kangpokpi T. Ranjit unfurled the tricolour and took the salute of the march past. 22 contingents including cultural troops participated in the parade. Civil and police officials, the people of the district attended the Republic Day celebration. The 68th Republic Day was also celebrated in the newly formed Ziribam district. Large number of people of different communities participated in the celebration. The celebration began with the unfurling of the national flag by DC Ziribam Dr. Hamid Singh Pahuja. A march past was also taken out by the contingents of Police, Assam Rifles and Assam Rifles Band, 7th Indian Reserve Battalion, CRPF and VDF from RK Sanatombi Devi Vidyalaya Babapura till the playground of Ziribam Higher Secondary School. Like in other districts of the state, Republic Day was also celebrated in Tamenglong district. The event was held at Mini Stadium Lower Ground, Tamenglong headquarters. DC Tamenglong M. Luikham unfurled the national flag on the occasion. He also took the salute of the march past. Contingents from 5th MR Tamenglong Police, Village Defence Force, Tamenglong Higher Secondary School, CMEHSS, JNV, Model Village Government School and 5th MR Unit School. Speaking at the event, M. Luikham recalled the invaluable contributions and sacrifices made by the freedom fighters for the nation. The 68th Republic Day celebration was also celebrated in Bishnupur district. The event was organized by District Administration at Mini Secretariat Complex Ground, Bishnupur. The day was also celebrated in Thoubal district under tight security. The celebration was organized by District Administration at Mini Secretariat Complex. The celebration began with the unfurling of the tricolour by DC M. Joy. He also took the salute of the march past commanded by DSP Yumnam Premjit. The 68th Republic Day was also celebrated in the newly created Kakching district. DC Kakching TH Kiran Kumar unfurled the national flag. Thousands of people drawn from different walks of life attended the celebration. Republic Day was also celebrated in Tengnopal district. Tengnopal DC KH Raghumani unfurled the tricolour at the celebration held at Tengnopal Government High School ground. Government officials, AR officials and villagers from different parts of the district attended the event. Contingents of Tengnopal District Police, 12 AR Band, St. Peter's School, Tengnopal Government High School and Anganwadi workers participated in the march past. The day was also celebrated by Additional Deputy Commissioner Morey Complex. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Please visit Project Patterns, Nomaibu, near Kushumarpa.
Yung manunggi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabio. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yung manunggi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupna ba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidok na bagi irai lai ba solution pi. Panel sing ado phai ba amadi chap yung ga mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Despite the tight security measures taken by the police to prevent untoward incidents during the Republic Day celebrations, a bomb exploded this morning. However, there was no report of casualty. The explosion occurred this morning around 8 near the western wall of Manipur College near Pisum Bridge. The blast created a big hole of about 3 feet diameter on the fence wall. Police and IRB personnel who were on duty rushed at the spot and inspected the damage. Police suspect that the bomb was not a powerful IED. The explosion took place when people were trying to save a drunken from the Nambul River about 10 feet from the spot. Fortunately, the blast caused no injury. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast. It may be recalled that some underground outfits have called for boycott of the Republic Day celebrations. Children's Vision Manipur, in collaboration with 9 is Mine New Delhi and Human Rights Alert Manipur, today organized a Manipur Children's Parliament at Youth Hostel, Kuman Lampak, to discuss the problems facing the children of Manipur. Young students of different educational institutes participated in the parliament. The students asked the parliament where they could complain against the frequent bans which affect their education and against child trafficking in the state. Resource persons said the government need to introduce more programs for the welfare of the children. Kabui Mothers Association observed the 102nd birth anniversary of Rani Gaidinglu at an event held at Kakulong today. Representatives of various civil society organizations attended the birth anniversary of the freedom fighter who fought against the British colonial rule. The observance began with the Kabui tradition of Yu Pan Thaba. People also offered floral tribute to the portrait of Rani Gaidinglu. The 102nd birth anniversary of freedom fighter Rani Gaidinglu was also held at Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC at Congress Bhavan. Attendees offered floral tribute at the portrait of the freedom fighter. It may be mentioned that the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, honored her with the title Rani. Rani Gaidinglu was born on January 26, 1915 in Nungkau village in Tamenglong district. Women today took out a rally in Oinam constituency demanding the Congress party to give its ticket to a woman candidate to improve women's condition in the constituency. The rally was taken out in support of Congress aspiring candidate H. Ibetoibi. 8 BJP aspiring candidates of Kairao have threatened to wipe out BJP in Kairao if the party does not explain to BJP Mandal on what ground Rameshwar was given the BJP ticket. The aspiring candidates and their workers held a meeting at the residence of Konthausam Jitain in Arapti, Awanglekai, Haining Makhong. The meeting felt that Rameshwar does not deserve the ticket and asked the party why it ignored the deserving candidates who can win the election.
Authority Singna Prajagi Apamba Aningba Praja Singi Hak Praja Singi Mot Amata Lobidana Karikaram Aron by agenda Amada ticket Pisan given Haibisigi Hangsi Pakum Pandrabadi BJP Bunung Sijaba Saurana 80% plus the Laiba Karau Kendagi BJP Kongul Mutatkani BJP Dagi member Oiba Tokani BJP Makoin period candidate say Aikoi intending candidate area da Matampuna Maki Oinakoi boycott of Zagani Karau Canada polling Kuntrama Palay Kuntrama Pansi Manunda BJP ticket PB Mafuma say only polling Tarek Labani. Lemorio polling Kuntragan to Yasida BJP Kongham Tahan Daba Haiba Perip Asilorpada Masigi Daita Pudding Mak State Authority Amsung Sentengi Authority Singna Lobio
42 petrol and 62 diesel-loaded tankers have reported at Indian Oil Corporation Depot, Malom. CAF and PD department in a press release says around 150 petrol and diesel tankers from Ziribam are expected to arrive in Imphal tomorrow. It also said the department will try to release petroleum products on daily basis at normal rate. The government has organized to pull in at least 150 loaded tankers on every moving from Ziribam to Imphal. Convener of Joint Administrative Council under 5 Toll Passengers Service, L. Somendro, urged the associations of light vehicle passenger service not to hike fare. He appealed to the association not to suddenly suspend passenger service like yesterday. He also asked the passenger vehicle drivers to consult TDC or JAC office if they are dissatisfied with the TDC arrangement to provide fuel. United Bus Owners Welfare Association of Manipur Secretary B. Dhanabir Sharma also appealed to the passenger bus service not to hike bus fare.
Joint Council TDC Hajabadagi Manipur light beacon sing asi Tau PB Mayamase, PN Daba Kaya Basu, Kabarda Hapa Natraga, Heta खुदक लंबी थिंबगी महुत्ता टीटीसी लागा करी तौसी है तानब मिनबा लाइन लाइन चेलिबा अखोई ऑक्टो रिक्शो मैजिक अमदी विंगर सिंगी मफमदसु पाउजनजरी
हानगे दुमक नत्रजु अफंगबा थाव खरा पिबिरगा नुक्ति साबि चौजरिबासे कनागुम्बा एसोसिएशन मचा खरना मखोइना थाव पेन फंगी फंगदे हाइबगी अदुगुम्बा वाकत अमा लाए मसे यारगदी तौबिगनो टीटीसीना अखोइगी ngasi kan honabadagi थाव पिबिदना ngasi पैसेंजर सर्विस यामना शांति होइना खोइ ज्ञान ताना हाइतारे होजि जाथादुना लाई मसी सुम मोइना वाकत मखन मखन लागदी टीटीसी की माइकेदी थाव पिबा लेखिबसु याय.
The artists of theatre Mind Mirror, in a press release, have expressed happiness and congratulated theatre personality Warepa Naba on being awarded the Padma Shri by Government of India. 7 explosions took place today in 3 districts of Assam, with police sources blaming the United Liberation Front of Assam. No one was injured in any of the blasts, which took place in 4 locations of Dibrugarh, Tinsukia and Charaideo district of eastern Assam almost simultaneously. Police said there is no casualty or damage. The militants had planted the bombs in isolated places just to make their presence felt. Militant groups have called for a boycott of Republic Day celebrations in the northeastern region. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. India celebrates the 68th Republic Day, a grand parade held at Rajpath in the nation's capital. Republic Day celebrated across Manipur. The main event was held at the historic Kangla. And despite tight security measures by police to prevent untoward incidents, a bomb explodes near Manipur College.